Hello friends, this is Bhagat Singh. Welcome back to channel BRILL Learnings. Today in this video we will cover previous maths questions related to CTET Paper 2 which was conducted in the month of December 2024. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and watch this video till end. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and share with your friends. Let's get started. One of the factors of 20pq square 4pq. First write this equation here. 20pq square plus 4pq plus 45pr square minus 60pqr minus 6rp. I have to find one of the factors. Okay. First, if you observe here, 20pq square, here also square term is here, and this is in terms of this pr pq. That means pqr is here. So bring these three values aside. So 20pq square plus 45 pr square minus 60 pqr. Okay, and write these values here. 4pq, which is left here, minus here also 6rp. First put this value aside for some time. Now simplify this only. What you can take common out of these three values? So all are the multiple of 5 only, and in all terms we have p. That is why 5p can be taken out from these three values. So 4q square here, and 5 will be 9 times 9r square minus 5 12 times. So 12 and qr is here. Okay. If you see this expression, it is look like a square plus b square minus 2ab. So now if I write this value, 2q whole square a square and 3r whole square minus 2 into ab means 2q into 3r. So which gives us the same value as above. So for this, what I can write, a square plus b square minus 2ab means 2q minus 3r, a minus b whole square. I can write this expression, right? So here I have 5p. So now simplify the leftover part here. Write this here. So 4pq minus 6rp. What you can take common here? So here also p, here also p, and these two are multiple of 2. So 2p can be taken out. So 2q minus 3r, okay, is left here. Now if you observe, in this part and in this part we have common as 2q minus 3r. So take out that common part. Okay, 2q minus 3r. You left with what you left with? It is square term. That means I left with one part here, and which is multiplied by 5p. 5p 2q minus 3r. Okay. Here I have taken common. Only one part is left here. So I have taken means I left with 2p only. So okay, this is the portion. That means 2q minus 3r is the one of the factor here. So third one is the right answer. Let's move to the next question. RS is a parallelogram in which PQ equal to 4x plus 1 centimeter, QR 26. First draw a parallelogram here. What is a parallelogram? So PQ R, yes, they have given. So PQ is 4x plus 1, QR is 26, RS is 25, PS is 3y minus 1. Okay. So then the value of 3x plus 2y. We need to find the value of this. Here, simple property. This is equal to this, and this is equal to this. Compare those values. 3y minus y equal to 26. 3y equal to 27. Y equal to 9 here. Compare these two. So 4x plus 1 equal to 25. X equal to 6 here. Now substitute this value and this value into this equation. Okay. So 3 6 are 18 and 2 9s are 18. We will get 36. So third one is the right answer. Let's move on to the next question. Which of the following rational numbers lie between minus 7 by 10 and minus 1 by 4? So first draw a line here. Minus 1 by 4 will be somewhere here, 0.25. It is minus. Okay, minus 7 by 10 means minus 0.7. Okay, so let's check all these options one by one. If you observe the second statement, 0 is not in between these two numbers. That is why this is wrong answer. Fourth one also, if you observe, here we have positive value 2 by 3. That is why this is also wrong answer. So the answer should be between these two numbers. If you check the third statement, here 3 by 4 is given, minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4 means minus 0.75. 3 by 4 means minus 0.75, which is somewhere here. That is why this is also wrong answer. First one is the right answer. Let's move to the next question. If x is the smallest number which is to be subtracted from 2605 to make it a perfect square, then what is the value of 4x plus 7? We need to find the value of this. Okay, so 2605, observe 2605 is in between 2500, which is a square of 50, which is the square value of 50, and if I write 60 square, I'll get 3600 here. This value is in between these two values. Okay, and which is nearer to 50. So I'll check with one by one option. If I write 51 here, let's check with approximation approach. Okay, 1 into 1, 1, 1 5s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. So 1 6 2 2601. 51 square value is 2601. Here we have the value of 2605. That means if I deduct this value, I'll get 4. If I subtract 4 from this 2605, I'll get the value of perfect square. If I subtract this 4 from this value, I'll get a perfect square, which is square of 51. Okay, so here the value of x is 4. Now what we need to find here, 4x plus 7. 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 7, 23. 23 is the right answer here. Do the same problem with the division method as well. I'll tell that. So here they have given 2605. Division method is used to find the perfect square. Okay, so what is division method here? First divide whole number into two pairs. Okay, so first pair, and check the greatest number whose square is less than the first pair. Okay, here if I write 5 square means 25, which is less than 26. Okay, so right here, so 25, subtract the value and drop next pair here, so 105. Now double the value here, so it will become 10. Keep a vacant place here. Whatever the value we put here, that value should be multiplied with the same number, and the resultant value should be less than this value. If I put 2 here, it will become 204, which is greater than 505. That is why I have to put only 1 here. I have to write here also. Okay, so 101 ones are 101. So I left with 4. This is the value which is above the perfect square. Okay, if I subtract 4 from this value, I can get a perfect square here. Okay, so here I got the value of x. They asked to find 4x plus 7. That means 4 4s are 16 plus 7 will get 20. Okay, likewise also you can look. This is the second approach. This is the first approach. Let's move on to the next question. Let a, b, c, d, they have given a, b, c, d values. If a plus b plus c is equal to px square, a plus b plus c minus d. First do a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c, which gives us 3x square minus 8x plus 11 minus 2x square plus 12x plus 0 minus 0 plus 7. In the second equation, they haven't given value of constant here. That is why I have taken 0. In the third statement, they haven't given the value, coefficient value of x here. So that is why I have taken 0 here. Now add all these three. Okay. 18 plus only. Here plus, here minus, means plus 4x minus 6x minus this 3 minus 3x square. Now deduct the value of d from this value. What is the value of d? X square minus x. Deduct the value of x square. Okay, minus x means here it will become x minus 11 plus 11. Okay, because I am subtracting this value, that is why I have changed the signs here. So now 4x square plus 5x plus here 20. Okay, now see the equation. This value, whatever the value we got just now, it is equal to px square. Here they have given the equation px square plus qx plus r. Okay, this is equal to px square plus qx is equal to. Okay. Now corresponding coefficients are equal to these values. P is equal to minus 4, q is equal to 5, r is equal to 29. Here p equal to minus 4, q equal to 5, r equal to 29. Now they have asked about p plus q plus r, that is equal to 30 here. 34 minus 4, 30. So fourth one is the right answer. Let's move on to the next question. So which of the following measurements the construction of triangle ABC can be done? Okay, here let's check each options one by one. So first statement, they have given AB as 5 centimeter. Okay, and draw here AB as 5 centimeter, BC as 6 centimeter, and angle ABC is 130. ABC, angle ABC is 130 degree, means somewhere like this. Okay, is 130 degrees, and BAC is 25. BAC means here they have given 25 degrees. If it is 130 and 25 means 155 is over. So here also it should be 25 degrees. Why? Because the total angle in any triangle is equal to 180 degrees. We have 25 here, 130 here. So 155. If I deduct 155 from 180, I'll get 25 here. Okay, but the length of BC is given here 6, which is not correct here. Why? Because in any triangle, angles are in proportion to the sides. Okay, here 25 degree corresponds 6 centimeter length. Here also 25 degrees should correspond 6 only, but they have given 5, so which is wrong. So we cannot construct with help of first statement. Let's move on to the second option. They have given AB, BC, AC lengths here. So for constructing any triangle, the sum of any two sides is always greater than the length of the third side here. If you observe AB plus BC, it should be greater than AC, right? But in this case, 3 plus 4 not greater than 7. That is why we cannot form with this statement. And one more property is here. In order to construct a triangle, the difference of any two sides always less than the third side. Okay, so you cannot construct here. So let's check the third statement. AB is 8. So AB is 8. BC is 4. BCA is 90 degree. If I draw like this, BCA, here see, it is 90 degrees they have given. ABC means here they have given 60 degrees. That means 90 plus 60, 150 is over. So here it should be 30 degrees. And they have given length of BC also. BC is 4. Now apply here sine rule. Sine, where you will apply? I know this value and this angle and this value. So I have to apply here only. Sine 30 degree by opposite to this code here. Sine 90 degree opposite side. Sine 90 degree and Opposite side is 8. Here it is 4. Okay. So sin 30 is 1 by 2 by 4 is equal to sin 90 is 1 by 8. So if I solve this, 1 by 8 I will get 1 by 8 is equal to 1 by 8. So this is the right answer here. Third one is the right answer. So let's take the fourth option as well. Okay. Here they have given angle ACB is 120 degree. ACB. If I draw like this, ACB, A is here, C is here, B here, 120. Okay. Here it is 120, and ABC is 25 here. Here it is 25. 120, 25 is over. 145 is over means here it should be 35. But they have given AC and BC lengths are 4, 4. What I have told you just now, for any triangle, the angles are in proportion to their sides. Okay. Here it is 25 degree. Opposite to this, here we have 4, right? Here also 4 we have. That means the angle here should be 25 instead of 35. So which is a wrong statement. So first, second and fourth are wrong. With the help of third dimensions, we can construct a triangle. Let's move to the next question. A solid cube of side 12 cm is cut into small solid cubes of side 4 cm each. Okay. Initially we have a solid cube with the side 12 cm, and this cube is cut into smaller cubes of side each 4 cm. Okay. So we have made smaller cubes out of the bigger cube which has the side 4 here. What will be the relation between the total surface area of the original cube? That means we have to calculate total surface area for these, and to the total surface area of smaller cubes, we have to calculate total surface area for all smaller cubes. Okay. So I have to find the relation between these two. But before calculating the total surface area, I have to find how many number of smaller cubes that can be made from the bigger one. So first take the volume of the bigger one. 12 into 12 into 12 by divide this value with the smaller volume. So 4 into 4 into 4. So that I will get number of smaller cubes. So cancel 4 3s are 4 3s are 4 3s are. So 3 into 3 into 3 means 27. 27 smaller cubes I can make from this bigger one. Now I have to bring down the relationship between the total surface area of the bigger one and to the total surface area of the smaller cubes. Okay. So first write the total surface area of bigger cube. Total surface area by total surface area of all smaller cubes. Okay. Smaller cubes, total surface area. What is the relation here? 6a square. 6a square means total surface area 6 into a means here 12. For the bigger cube, the side is 12 here. So 6a square by how many smaller cubes we have? 27. For these 27, we have to calculate total surface area. Okay. Here also formula for total surface area is 6a square. 6 into here a is 4 only. 4 into 4. Now simplify this. 4 3s are 4 3s are. Okay. 3 1s are 3 2s are. 3 2 1s are 2 3s are. 3 1s are 3 9s are. 3 1s are 3 3s are. Okay. Bigger by smaller total surface area is 1 by 3. That means the total surface area of smaller cubes, all smaller cubes will be 3 times to the total surface area of the bigger cube. So here first one is the right answer. With this I have covered previous maths questions related to CTET Paper 2 which was conducted in the month of December 2024. Before winding this session, I have a small request. Please like, share and subscribe our channel because it will boost me to do more videos. Thank you all. We'll meet in the next video.